welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lesotho YouTuber. Welcome back to my third, in fact fourth episode of the house of renovations. So here we're removing the ceiling. We are done with removing the ceiling, and as you can see, it was really not okay. It was even falling off. So as you can see, the dirt on the floor, and we are ready to install the new ceiling. So here I went to the hardware to buy the equipment. As I was there, the policeman passed by, and I was like, let me just capture this because there was a lot of noise. So you can see that hardware. I like it so much because it is kind of affordable. So yeah, here they were done with installing the Rhino board, and they were done with the application of Clyde. As you can see, well, I couldn't take every moment because I was a bit uncomfortable with the guys, but here they're on the process with the Rhino board. It was tying off, so I tried in as much as I can. So here they're done with the applications of the downlights, the cornices, the paint. So they were just left with application of paint on the ceiling for it to be seamless, as you can see. And I am happy, man. I must say I'm really happy. So here is after I light the lights. Well, I'm not really happy, but I am happy because it was really bad. And here is after they have done everything. I am happy, it's seamless, and we have also done the frames. And thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the content. See you on the next episode. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and most importantly, enjoy. Bye.